Well, hello. It's Greg Bell here from the Ray White Surfers Paradise Group. I spend 95% of my day working in the commercial arena, whether it's commercial, industrial, development sites, sales and leasing. I've really got my hand on the pulse and where our market is as we enter into spring 2022. We've seen interest rates start to rise. We've seen a hell of a lot of negative media coverage about the impact of interest rate rises, the threat of a recession, and so on and so on. And yes, naturally, there's been a slight impact, more so on the residential side than the commercial side. The industrial market is still red hot, whether it's selling or just trying to lease it. There's simply not enough stock around. And this will continue as demand from southern states with migration continues to affect the southeast Queensland commercial and industrial market. We haven't seen office vacancy rates as low as they are, around 6 and 7%, in some 20 odd years. And there simply isn't enough commercial space to handle the demand moving forward. And the pressure will be on as building costs come down for somebody, a developer, to get in and build office space. We're in 50 Cavill Avenue, taking up 1.5 floors. It's 99% occupied. Put another one of these buildings, 50 Cavill Avenue somewhere, and you'd fill it up 40% pre-leased in a heartbeat. That's the demand out there. And then you've got the retail market. As we enter into the spring, the demand will be for people wanting to lease shops and get prepared for our big summer boom time. But overall, the commercial market and industrial has not been greatly affected by the downturn. Well, I wouldn't call it a downturn. The changes in the marketplace as a result of interest rate rises. I suspect commercial will continue to strengthen as we move into 2023 and up through 25 and so on. What's driving the market is now the borders are open. And there's a lot of senior type age brackets from down south, Victoria, New South Wales, wanting a lifestyle, wanting a change. And it's all about affordability. In Queensland, in particular, southeast Queensland, is so affordable compared to, capital city of Sydney or Melbourne. And that attraction is the warmer weather. It's the effects of COVID lockdowns in those southern states. We've also got the international borders open. So you've got New Zealanders starting to make inquiries about commercial real estate. You've got Southeast Asia yet to come and knock on our door, and that will happen. With the stress and strain of what's going on in China and Taiwan, I'm sure we're going to see big migration moves out of Taiwan and Hong Kong, which we've been seeing for a very long time. Singapore is still a very strong market for us, but overall, we are in a fantastic position commercially and industrial here in southeast Queensland. And I would suggest anybody who is considering selling, there isn't a better time than as we move into spring. The two best months here on the Gold Coast for sales is March and October. So spring's at our door now, and I would suggest if you're thinking of selling, don't be frightened of the negative media coverage. The commercial industrial market is strong. And then if you're thinking of buying, get in soon. Stock levels are low, which means the number of buyers will force prices even further. As Ray White, we are the competition creators. And that's our job, to work for our vendors and get the very best price. And I can see the market remaining very, very strong for some time yet. If you're thinking of buying, selling, or you've got a property that you'd like managed commercially or industrially, please feel free to contact me on my mobile 0414 380 555. Thank you and have a great day.